Hey, welcome back. I know that was really cheesy. But look at this. So first time with the resin, well, not my first time, but first time resining these, and I didn't have to sand them, I didn't have to fix any flaws, no dust, and perfectly rounded edges. You don't know how exciting and rare that is, especially for a lot of people. There's usually like some kind of corner or edge that's a pain in the ass and you have to go back and fix, but nope. These have been a lucky diptych for me, doing these little honey inspired. So today, you guessed it, it's going to be a time lapse here shortly, but we're adding bees. We're finishing them off and adding bees. Oh, something that I did add after the video is I went back and some of the honeycomb hexagon parts, I added a little bit more of that yellow flash. I don't know if you guys can see that. It gave it a little bit more depth and interest. But yeah, okay. But yeah, let's jump into the time lapse and I'll see you guys at the end. Alright, there we go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Yeah.
He's the bee's knees.
I have from my friend Nick over. We actually are going to be doing a video here soon, so stay tuned for that. It's kind of exciting. We're doing a John Beckley inspired pour, but it's 2 different ones, so stay tuned. It's amazing. It looks so cool so far. So, but as far as these, I just need to apply the clear coat on top and they are done. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Go check out my Redbubble, Instagram, Etsy. It's all up. And I will talk to you guys later. Alright, you guys have a great night.